What's up, everyone? Welcome to July's nutrition topic of the month, where we're going to break down the macronutrient fat. Fat is the most calorically dense macronutrient. There are 9 calories per gram compared to carbs and protein, which each have 4 calories per gram. So we want to be conscious of that when we're eating fat, or foods that are high in fat, or meals that may have a little bit more fat. It's going to have a lot more calories than a mix of protein and carbohydrates. Fat is very important for our body. There are essential fatty acids that we need to consume to make sure that our body is able to function properly and that our cells are able to be made up with the proper structure. Fat is also necessary for the absorption of a class of vitamins called fat-soluble vitamins. We have water-soluble vitamins. We only need water to absorb, and then there are fat-soluble vitamins. An example would be vitamin D. If we're not consuming fat when we take the vitamin or when we consume that vitamin in our food, then our body's actually not going to be absorbed at the gut level, so we're not going to be able to get those benefits from said vitamin. So make sure that we're choosing healthy forms of fat. There are 2 forms of fat found in our world. Unsaturated fat is found primarily in plant foods. Think olive oil, avocados, nuts and seeds. It's liquid at room temperature if it's been distilled or isolated, like in olive oil. Saturated fat is the other form of fat, and that's going to be solid at room temperature. Think of butter or animal fat. That's primarily animal sources of fat, but things like coconuts are also high in saturated fat. So make sure that we arm ourselves with a little bit of knowledge when we go about making our diet. Fat has been demonized a lot in our world, so making sure we're choosing healthy sources of fat. We're going to be, again, it's very necessary for our body to be healthy, so don't shy away from fat at all times. Make sure that we're choosing the healthy form and being cognizant of the fact that there's more calories, but fill your plate up with a balance. Next month, we're gonna be going into carbohydrates, which are the 4 calories per gram. So we're gonna round out our macronutrients and have some fun. Talk to you later, guys.